First of all, I would like to say a very big thank you to you for watching this channel. I appreciate every bit of your time. Thank you. I'm very sure by the title of this video you can already tell what the content is all about. But let me give you a little story behind it. I've heard a lot about chicken adobo. I've heard my friends talk about it, those that have tried it. I've heard my co-workers talk about it as well. Even those I don't know on the streets always talk about. Sometimes I just overhear people talking about chicken adobo, chicken adobo, chicken adobo. And I'm like, what's chicken adobo? What? And the testimony that they all always give is that it's amazing. That if you've never tried it, then you absolutely are missing out a lot. Then I thought to myself, I was like, really? What is it really about this chicken adobo? How about giving it a try and know what it tastes like actually? And instead of going to a restaurant to get me some, how about making it myself and see how far I can go with it and what I'm able to come up with? Then maybe later on I might try that at the restaurant as well and see and compare that with the one that I made myself. So without further ado, let's go to the kitchen. So for our recipe we'll need vinegar, bay leaves, black pepper, garlic, soy sauce, vegetable oil, and of course the chicken itself. So we are going to start off by putting the chicken in the pan. And then the next thing we will do is to add some soy sauce. I'm just using my discretion for the soy sauce. And then the next thing is to add some vinegar. Now I'm adding some garlic to it. And then the next thing is to add your ground pepper. And then of course the next thing I will do is to turn it around and make sure that the whole thing is mixed properly. And then the next thing I will do is to add the bay leaf to it. But to help it out as well, I would definitely add a little water to it. So the next thing we're going to do is to light up the stove and get the cooking going. Now it's time to try chicken adobo and give it my rating. Chicken adobo is the deal, the real deal. Thank you for watching my video once again. And if there's anything you would want me to try out next, please drop it in the comments section below and I'll get to them as soon as possible. Thanks for your time. Thank you.